Howdy, y'all. Hey, it's powder coating day. There's a hot one out here today too. It's 3 o'clock. I just finished. It's 95 and 60% humidity. So anyway, we did some experimenting today and some just regular powder coating. These are my 32 Cowboy bullets. That's standard Sherwin-Williams silver metallic stuff, just coats no matter what. This was Eastwood neon green, and it doesn't coat very good, and I've been mixing it with this metallic silver. I picked up some clear and put on this, and it's a 50-50 mix, and man, it's some shiny slick stuff now. It's completely covered and everything. I'll bring in and look at all of them. Back here is the Big Lube Dick Dastardly mold, 32 caliber. Got the big huge lube groove in it. That's with the prismatic flatter black, but I cut it 2 parts black to 1 part clear, and it coated really good. Last time I tried coating with that flatter black, wasn't perfect weather to do it in, and I did some other mistakes to it, and it kind of half-assed. But those are actually good and coated now. The black is splotchy looking, but it's coated with the clear and everything. This is the Lee 358 125 RF. I went to 3 parts black and 1 part clear, and I had all of this in my container. I basically overloaded my butt, and I couldn't get it to shake very good. So I took about half of them out. I went ahead and powder coated half of them, put the other half back into the container and shook them some more, and that's what these are, and I'll show you the difference here in a second. And then we got the Cowboy loads bullets for over there, the same thing, the Lee 358 125 RF with the Sinpad purple. You know, I've been having some problems with it and working through issues. The first of all, main thing was I wasn't sifting them enough, and that definitely helped. Now that is cut 50% with clear, and it made a huge difference in the thickness on it. So let me bring you down here and we'll look a little closer at them. All right, like I said, this is just my standard 3220, or not 3220, but 32 H&R. Nothing special there. Like I said, metallic silver, Sherwin-Williams metallic silver. Shake and bake, boy, you're done. But here now, these that neon green with that clear in it, man, it's still spotted looking, which is fine with me. I don't care about the spotted looking. It doesn't have to coat, you know, the green completely green. I'm just trying to get rid of it because it doesn't work very good. But that clear made it really shiny, and it's super slick. I mean, that is slick. The sun went away on me when I started filming here. I mean, all day long, this was like the second thing I done, and all day long the sun been glistening off of it. You can see it shining. So All right, let's bring you in over here on the other side. Okay, here's the big lube moles. And like I said, it's they're a little splotchy looking, but that's fine. I don't care. As long as they're coated and not all bulky and over too much powder on them, stuff like that. They're just they're coated nicely. But I wanted it a little bit darker because these are my designated bullets to go with APP powder. That way when I pick it up, a loaded Roundup, I know that's APP powder in them. Here, like I said, that's 2-to-1. This is 3-to-1, and I didn't get it shaken very good. They're coated, it's just not shaken very good to get them thoroughly done. This is what they look like after I reduced the amount in my container so I could shake it and get the static buildup I needed. And they are coated really good, I think. Just the right amount of coating, I think. So. All right, so let's go over here to the other ones. All right, so when I first was, when I mixed it half and half and the powder was dry, and looking at it, and I go, wow, because the Sinbad purple by itself is it's purple. But when I cut it with that clear, it was more like a lavender. Okay, well, they're going to be a little lighter, but we'll see how they look when we're done. So, as a comparison, here's a pure Sinbad on the left there. And you notice, you can tell that the powder coating thickness is different. Now this one is sized, but that top section, how much thicker that coating is. And this is how I was originally doing them. But now, they look pretty darn good, I think. Just coated enough to make everything work. That's going to solve a big part of my issues. The other part I still need to take care of. I think I've still got some issues with the moles itself that I need to address. So anyway, powder coating day. It's hot out here. I'm going in the house. Thanks for watching, everybody.